In the figure, the steady state output voltage corresponding to the input voltage 3 plus 4 sin 100t volt is. Okay, in the given circuit, input voltage is given as 3 plus 4 sin 100t and we have to find the output voltage. So, input voltage Vi of t is equal to 3 plus 4 sin 100t. In the input we can see that there is a DC component and there is also an AC component. So first we will apply the DC component of 3 volt, that is input voltage Vi1 of t is equal to 3 volt. So when we apply a DC, this capacitor become open circuited and the whole input will be applied to the output. Therefore the output voltage will be again this 3 volt. Okay, next case we will apply this AC component for sin 100t, that is input voltage 2, that is equal to 4 sin 100t. So now we will have to find the output voltage P dot 2 of t. When we convert this to polar form, we get 4 angle 0. Here the omega will be 4 sin 100t, then omega will be 100. Okay. Now here we will apply the voltage division rule. We can see that if there is an impedance Z1 and Z2 here, then the output voltage V0 of t is equal to Vi of t into Z2 divided by Z1 plus Z2. And in this circuit, in the given question, Z1 is a resistor R and Z2 is a capacitor C whose reactance will be minus jXC, or that will be equal to 1 by j omega C. So what would be the output voltage? Output voltage V0 of t is equal to Vi of t into Z2, that is 1 by j omega C divided by Z1 plus Z2, R plus 1 by j omega C. This will be equal to Vi of t divided by 1 plus j R omega R C. This would be the output voltage. Now we will substitute the values. Vi of t is, that is the input voltage, that is 4 angle 0 divided by 1 plus j omega is 100. R is 1 kilo ohm, that is 10 raised to 3. Then the value of capacitance is 10 microfarad, 10 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this will be equal to 4 angle 0 divided by 1 plus j, or we can write it as 4 angle 0. What is 1 plus j? That is root of 1 square plus 1 square angle tan inverse 1 by 1, or this is 4 angle 0 divided by root 2 angle tan inverse 1 is 45 degree. This is equal to 4 by root 2 angle minus 45 degree. Okay, now we can write V0 of t as (4 by root 2 sin 100 t minus 45 degree). This is the amplitude 4 by root 2 and this is the phase angle minus 45 degree. Now this is the second output. So what would be the total output V0 of t? Total output will be, this is the second output. First output was 3. Total output is 3 plus 4 by root 2 sin 100t minus 45 degrees. This is the final answer in volts.